Have you ever felt like the whole world is falling apart, and the only thing you want is solid ground? I know that feeling. Life is full of ups and downs, and sometimes it feels impossible to stand steady. There's a tension in all of us. We long for stability, yet reality itself is groundless. Existential thinkers like Irvin, Yalom, and Buddhist teachers like Pema, Chodron say the same thing. Life is uncertain, impermanent, and unpredictable. And yet, as humans, we need a place for our feet to touch. So how do we live in that paradox? We don't always need permanent ground. We can create temporary ground, small footholds that keep us standing even when everything else is unstable. One of the strongest anchors can be our relationships. For me, my partner is a real, tangible ground I can lean on. But there's a catch. When one person is our only anchor, it can also become a source of fear. Because if we lost that person, it feels like we'd lose everything. So the key is not to replace them, but to build other mini grounds to share the weight of stability. Here are some ways you can create small, steady footholds in life. Feel your feet on the floor, notice your breath, feel your body's weight in your chair. Small daily rituals, morning tea, journaling, a short walk. Sun, wind, clouds, plants interact with the natural world. Writing, drawing, music, crafts, or organizing your space. Mindfulness, meditation, or simply observing your thoughts without judgment. Trusted friends, family, or safe support spaces. These aren't permanent solutions, they're stepping stones. Together, they form a mosaic of support, so if one stone shakes, the rest are still under your feet. Life may never be perfectly stable, but by building these mini grounds, you can stand even when the world feels shaky. Start small, notice the little footholds around you, and remember, you don't have to carry the weight alone. So now I want to hear from you. What is your ground? And what little mini grounds help you stay steady when the world shifts beneath your feet? Share them in the comments. I'd love to see the footholds that keep you standing.